What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden, and welcome back to the YouTube channel. I appreciate each and every single one of you guys for coming back for another video. Today, we're going to be talking about Chatgpt, which is an AI program that is basically going to automate your entire e-commerce business. I'm going to show you a bunch of ways that I like to use this program to help me out, and I know that this video is going to bring you guys so much value. So if you guys are excited, be sure to go ahead and drop a like. That lets me know that you guys are enjoying the content here on the channel, and also hit that subscribe button for more content just like this. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so this is going to be a quick tutorial. This is Chatgpt right here, but first I want to go ahead and show you guys how to download it. And for those of you that don't know what Chatgpt is an AI program, which is artificial intelligence. Really, the best way to explain this is that it's Google on crack. So basically, like when you go to Google and you type in, a certain question, it's going to bring up a bunch of links. You got to filter through pages of links sometimes to find the answer to your question. With this, you just ask it and it spits out the answer. And I've yet to find really, a lot of things that you can't do with this program. Like there isn't many things, okay? Which is actually insane. So the first thing that you're going to want to do to go ahead and download this is you're going to want to go to Google, type in Chatgpt download, and then you're going to want to click on this one. It should be the first or second link. It just depends. You're going to click here. You're going to click on this button right here, try Chatgpt, and then it'll download it for you. It's completely 100% free. I don't even know how they haven't started charging for this, because I would be willing to pay for this 100%. But again, it's completely free. And once you go ahead and download it, make an account, this is the screen that's going to come up. So it's going to show you different examples of how you can say certain things to the program to get the best possible answer. For me personally, it's always been somewhat of I just used the wrong word, or maybe I just had a misspelling and that's what it didn't understand it. So if that happens to you, just switch it up a little bit, and you should be able to get the answer that you desire. So here's the different capabilities. Here's the limitations that they have. You can also go online. There's so many different resources out there that'll show you exactly what you can and cannot do. But anyway, so the first thing that you can do with Chatgpt is slogans. So I know a lot of you guys, spend so much time on your website thinking of a brand like slogan, and it's just a waste of time. Like, this is going to be something that's going to be on your top header on the front page of your website. All right, so if I wanted to come up with a slogan for my fitness apparel brand, that's what we're going to do. I would tell Chatgpt something like, write me a slogan for my fitness apparel brand. Okay, and make it fun. I'm going to say that, make it fun. And I'm going to copy this because I may do a different variation of this. Then you're going to click enter, and let's see what it comes up with. Get fit, have fun, wear our gear. Kind of corny, but again, you can just ask it a different way now, right? So write me a few slogans for my fitness apparel brand. Sweat and style with our gear, push your limits in our apparel, raise the bar in our fitness wear, look good, feel good, perform better. These are all pretty solid. And when you're just trying to get an e-commerce brand off the floor or off the ground, you don't really need to put too much thought into this. And this is where Chatgpt will be able to help you. Elevate your workout wardrobe with us, perform at your best in our gear. Some of them are okay, but again, like, it's kind of crazy how fast this program, comes up with these ideas. All right, so for the second thing that you can do with Chatgpt is write product descriptions. I know a lot of you guys struggle with product descriptions. I myself at times struggle with them as well. Sometimes I need like some sort of like reference, something to get my creative juices flowing. And this program right here does more than just that. They are pretty good at writing them, to be honest with you. So let's just say we were selling a weight loss supplement. Okay. So I'm going to say, write me a product description for my Garcinia Cambogia product with benefits. And I put with benefits because if you're doing your product description the way I've taught in some of my previous videos, you want to start off with the headline, you want to have a GIF, and then you want to have a key benefit with a supporting few sentences with another GIF with a key benefit with a few more supporting sentences, so on and so forth. So by telling it to say, to give you benefits as well, it's going to help you, be able to formulate your product description better. If you don't know what Garcinia Cambogia is, it's literally a weight loss product. I've sold these before, sold thousands of bottles of those. So it's something that I feel comfortable with, talking about. So here we go. Introducing our premium Garcinia Cambogia supplement, designed to support your weight loss management goals and improve overall health. Made from high quality, all natural ingredients, our supplement is formulated to provide maximum effectiveness. And it just goes on. Garcinia Cambogia is a tropical fruit that is known for its weight loss benefits. With regular use, our Garcinia Cambogia supplement can help promote weight loss by inhibiting the production of fat and suppressing appetite, boost energy levels, enhance mood. I mean, you can see how fast you can come up with a product description if you just keep telling Chatgpt, in different ways. So I'm just going to show you, the difference between, writing something like that and just taking a few words out. So I'm going to write the same thing. Write me a product description for my weight loss supplement. I'm just say weight loss supplement. We'll say that. Or we'll just say it for my weight loss supplement. That's fine. And as you can see, you will get a little bit of a different answer. Sometimes you may get kind of the same kind of thing, but again, some of these sentences are definitely different, and you can go ahead and formulate it your own way. Now, I don't know where this program pulls information from, okay? I will say that, and that's one thing that I've thought about. But for me personally, what I would do is I would copy some of this, right? And then throw it into another program. There's programs out there that are like anti-plagiarism type of programs where you can literally take, the text, throw it in there, and then it'll spit out something different. So that way, you feel more comfortable instead of just taking this and running with it. Because I asked myself this. What stops someone else from asking Chatgpt the exact same thing that I did, and them spitting out the same exact answers, and then there's someone else out there that has the same kind of product description. So do keep that in mind. That's something that I've thought about. If it's something not to worry about and you know more about Chatgpt, let me know in the comment section. All right, so the next thing that you can do with Chatgpt is get it to write you a script for when you're reaching out to brand ambassadors. So if you're out there trying to get influencers, through Instagram outreach, email outreach, TikTok outreach, or whatever, you can get it to spit out a script for you to modify and create, something of your own. So this is the example that we're going to be using today for this one. It is write me an email to recruit brand ambassadors for my brand Gymshark. So we're going to be using the brand Gymshark for this example. So once you click enter, you're going to see it literally gives you the subject line if you say email. If you weren't to say email and you were to say something like, write me a script, it just probably give you, this without the subject line. But again, you can fool with it and try to get, different answers. But as you can see, dear name, we hope this email finds you well. We are excited to announce that we are currently recruiting brand ambassadors for Gymshark, a leading fitness and activewear brand. As a Gymshark ambassador, you will have the opportunity to represent our brand and promote our products to your followers on social media. In return, you will receive exclusive discounts, free product, and the opportunity to be featured on our website and current social media channels, and blah, 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 blah. So you can literally take this and, fit in your brand and also add in, your different details. If you offer an affiliate, code, like, hey, if you promote our products, we'll give you 25% commission. You'll include your affiliate code or whatever you want to do. But again, I made this in 5 seconds. I didn't have to sit here and type this out all day, which is why I'm bringing you guys this video. So yeah, that's exactly how you can go ahead and get a nice script for influencer outreach. All right, so the next thing that you can do with Chatgpt, which is honestly one of my favorites, is email scripts, which kind of piggybacks off the last thing we just talked about with the influencer outreach. But this is going to be for a welcome series. For your welcome series, newsletter emails, or just follow-ups, or any type of email associated with your store. There's literally no excuse to not have this at this point. Like, you can literally start your store and have this off the rip, which is super powerful. So we're gonna do kind of the same thing. I'm gonna put write me a welcome series email for subscribers of my newsletter for the brand Gymshark. And obviously you can change this up in any type of way. This is kind of off the top, so do bear with me. So welcome to the Gymshark community. So would be somebody, if they went on your website and subscribed to your newsletter, this is what they would get in response. So welcome to the Gymshark community. Dear blank, welcome to the Gymshark community. We are thrilled to have you join our newsletter and be a part of our journey as we strive to empower and welcome and inspire individuals to reach their fitness goals. As a subscriber, you'll be the first to know about our latest products, exclusive promotions, inspiring content. We will also be sharing tips and tricks on how to elevate your training, nutrition, and overall wellness. You guys can pause this and read the rest. I'm sure you get the point. Oh, and here we go. So this one actually gave a discount code. To kick off your experience with us, we would like to offer you a 10% discount on your next purchase. Simply use the code WELCOME10. Now, you would need to make sure that you go to your Shopify store and actually enter, and make that a discount code so that way it works. But again, this is extremely, extremely powerful. And there's so many different ways that you can really utilize this to create, powerful campaigns and powerful follow-up for your customers. And the last thing that we're going to talk about in this video is blog posts. So, the best thing that you can do for yourself is to have blog posts on your website, blog posts that relate to your brand, blog posts that are going to help get you more organic eyeballs, which is called SEO, which is search engine optimization. It's very powerful, and a lot of people don't take advantage of it because they just don't know how to do it. And it's something that's more of a long game. SEO takes time. You need to rank with, there's backlinks, there's all these different things that go into it. But you can start by, publishing your own blog post, right? So you could write me a blog post. Let's just say you owned a supplement brand. Okay, we're kind of sticking with the fitness supplement kind of thing. Let's just say, write me a blog post about how supplements can be a benefit to your life. I don't know. Supplements, the missing piece to achieving your fitness goals. If you're like most people, you're always on the lookout for ways to improve your health and fitness. You may have heard about supplements and wondered if they can help you reach your goals. The answer is yes. Okay, you get the point. This program is absolutely insane. And you'd be crazy not to go ahead and utilize it, especially if since it's free. But you can go ahead and come up with a bunch of blog posts. Now, again, like I've said before, I would take this and kind of just switch it up a little bit, just in case. You can, go to a program and just put it in there. There's programs that you could pay for. I'm pretty sure that there's some that are free. And you can go ahead and just make sure that, this isn't taking this from somewhere else. But again, very cool. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I hope you guys got some value from this. If you did, be sure to go ahead and leave me a like. Let me know what you guys think of Chatgpt. If you know of some more things that, maybe I didn't speak about in this video. I know there's hundreds and thousands of different ways that you can use this program. Let me know in the comment section. I'm curious of more ways that, I can really utilize this. And go ahead, hit that subscribe button. It's always appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next video.